We gotta figure out how. We're gonna take this intake manifold off.
You're tethered. Get over here.
Get that off.
Where are you going?
You are, really.
No. Get down.
My dad's got the tool for that right there.
Down.
Take that line off.
No.
Take this fuel line off.
Oh, talk back to me.
Why do we have to take it off?
Lay down.
Just to get it out of the way, but we do need to take this off. So grab your impacts.
Yes.
We will be able
Go.
to take this and scoot it back out the way,
Yeah,
and
he's
then
talking
just
to
pull
me.
that back out without taking that
Yeah,
off.
we're good.
We should just be able to. Let me see.
We
We'll
got
hurry up, take off all these coil packs right quick. And
see.
that extension or that socket here. I'll just gonna bang them outwards.
Bang them out.
You don't want to put them in.
Well, yeah. You always use the impact to bang them out, but not put them in.
You're right.
You got to use hand tools to put them back
especially
in.
with aluminum.
You'll
The
fuck that
video
shit
is
up.
paused, just so you know.
No,
All
it's
right.
running.
Oh.
I got it running.
Oh. Well, there's coil 1 and 2.
Yeah. See, 3,
It's just the engine.
4. Bam. All right. Lay down the throttle body.
Extension. Yes, let's see what we have to take.
See,
off
look,
here.
he gets to have all the fun. I'm the one that did all the climbing underneath the car. Just leave them in. Oh, those come. Oh, yeah, those are short. Yeah, no.
That's here off my
Tray.
turbo.
This?
That's off the turbo.
Okay, let me take that off. I got that. Don't worry about the other.
There's that out of the way.
What is that, a Phillips? Got you. Best $10 I ever friggin' spent on a screwdriver.
You get them out for
This
enough?
thing is fucking massive, awesome
what is that, dude?
for $10.
That line goes directly into the tapper cover. Well, maybe that has to. We'll just take it there. Let's back these out.
Best money ever spent on
How'd you get that out?
what?
This looks good.
Bang them out.
There ain't nothing like.
We can get around here. Telling you guys, there is hardly any YouTube information out.
Hit the key over there.
We fucked up. We should have disconnected the battery.
Yeah, we're gonna.
We should have disconnected the battery. We fucked up. You know, oh my god, that shit's so correct.
Take it off. Take the ground off first.
Yeah, the ground. We just gotta take the ground off.
Yeah.
That's it. Got you, bro.
Yeah, rubber boot in it.
Oh, what you got? You already got, okay.
They got little rubber garments on them, which is little rubber garments.
Yep, there it is. Metric. Forgot. See, I'm more. Yeah, there you go. It's just fucking. I gotta lube that, bro. That bitch is fucking rusty, crusty, and dusty. Let me give it a little spot of lube. Oh, you don't want to break it.
There we go.
Oh, we got it? Alright. Yeah, always, yeah, we fucked up. I didn't even think about it till now. So y'all got to see that. So I guess that's alright. But always just connect the battery when you're working on your vehicle like this.
Alright.
Looking.
I'm running out of magnets right here.
Well, let's just get these. You got that mental note where all these go. All right, so this.
All I'm gonna do is take these off.
What's it telling you? Yeah,
Let's take these off.
Yep. All right. Oh, we got a magnet.
That's a long one.
That's a long one. Tops are long ones. Tops are really long ones.
What is this? Similarly.
That's what I was looking at. I need to look at that.
Huh.
Wait. Get the fuck out of here.
That's what they.
Has somebody rigged that up?
Yeah.
Because that, you know why?
That's fucked up.
Yeah, that's fucked up.
Here, I can get it out. Is there one over here?
No,
that
you
was
got
it.
all those. Well, either way, it's out. Anything. Turbo?
No, that shouldn't. That's this.
Yeah.
That going through?
What are we missing here? Wait, hold on. I got all these bolts. Wait a second.
Rubber mallet.
Yeah, that's what I was.
It's in the back of my charger.
Fucking
Babe,
read
I
my
don't,
mind, my brother.
I don't got my key.
I got them. I already got them.
Alright.
We thought about that just the same, bro. For real. We had the same fucking thought. Swear to God.
So make sure you pull your dipstick.
Yeah. Which one? Dead blow or rubber mallet? Dead blow is fucking beautiful too.
Hey, I don't want to crash.
Yeah, I know. So just going easy on it. What the fuck could we be? Wait, there's one right here.
That's what I was wondering if that's one or not.
Yeah,
That's just a shorty. It wasn't even
Oh, really?
going into it.
Well, yeah, we can get that.
Put that back there then.
That's nice. I don't understand.
Here, let me see the flat is.
Don't make no.
Where's the?
Yeah, cause look.
They got it glued down. Yeah, there should be.
You're gonna have to get some special glue.
There we go.
Yeah. Yep.
No, easy. Hold on, no, it's gotta be pried. So, grab the other flathead, little one or whatever, big one.
Oh no, I got something in the bed.
Ouch.
You alright?
No.
Did you just fuck your shit up again? I got it. What'd you do, bro?
Cut the cuticle and shit. Clean back, look.
Oh, fuck.
Easy, easy, easy. Go to the back side, go to the back side. Ouch.
My God, just fucked this shit up, dude. All the way.
Motherfucker. Burns that bitch.
You wanna
It's
put
a
some
burner.
peroxide on it?
Okay, you got this to lift, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Be easy. Don't, no, be. I want to feel it.
Bro, we just disconnected these. Yeah, it should come out though. There. Yep.
And back.
You have to make sure you get the glue for this, bro. Or the fucking seal, whatever it is. It's probably just because it's the way it's glued together or whatever.
I feel like this is implanted. There we go.
Is that connected in there? Oh. There you go. You
There's
see
fucking
it
water
first.
coming out of there.
You see it first. That goes to the turbo.
There it is. Hold on.
Good shit, bro.
Hold on, what are we? We don't want to scar nothing under it. What am I hung up on over here?
I don't see nothing. I literally don't see anything.
Here's flashlight. Easy.
Oh, fuck. I just fucking was pulling on this.
Yeah, I left that there for a reason. Alright, no big deal.
Bitch.
Fuck.
We could put something together to fix that. Oh, wait. How bad is it?
Just buy a new line. I just buy a new line.
I did not need to do that.
I can glue that back on. Put that over there. I can glue it.
And put it in a pile.
Where'd that? Put that in that.
Pile. actually I put it in the throttle body. Fuck.
Go to the other side and lift this rest up.
That was not supposed to happen.
Alright. Hold on.
I don't see nothing but spark plugs.
That's,
Should we take them out? Release the compression?
That's way below.
That's what I'm saying. No, that's all I see are spark plugs down there. They ain't holding this bitch up.
Hold on.
No, I'm just kind of holding on.
Alright, try to lift it. What in the fuck is this
Is
shit?
it this? No.
We're up. Does it pull outwards? Towards you? Yeah, it pulls towards you. We gotta take this off right here.
Think so?
Yeah, I know so. Give me the ratchet that.
Here, I'll get this one. You take a break. Oh, that whole thing is connected.
That, and then there's one there.
Yeah. That whole thing is connected, huh?
Yeah, this shit is some work, guys. Don't
Yeah.
think it ain't.
Jesus Christ.
It's trial and error right now because, like we said, we've looked and we could find no videos of this 2.0.
Any fucking where. Like,
And
any fucking.
the reason we are doing this, if you guys are just tuning in, is we're throwing a specific code of P0303, which is a cylinder 3 misfire.
Specific.
A Pacific.
That's specific to that cylinder. Like, it's determined.
And we've already
Yeah.
put new plugs in, rotated coils, and we're still getting that misfire. So we are going to the injectors and we'll be able to see the cams and everything, lobes, how everything looks once we get down into it.
Oh, fuck that. Time to use one of the new
And for you
tools.
people that are just tuning in,
What is
we have been doing at this for about 2 hours already.
Huh? Oh, no, you're fine. You're good.
We just decided to start making a video on it because we knew we couldn't find none, and hope these tips are watching
Be
it
helpful.
could help. Yeah.
Be helpful to somebody
Our
else.
trial and error could be, somebody else's problem solver.
That's fucking, what is it? 10. I know you got 10. Oh, look at that. There's a fucking 10 right here. And it's a stubby dubby.
Well, Smiley boy, what are you doing? Was there a bottom one? There's the bottom one. So let's just move this radiator clamp, I guess.
I'm just taking it, yeah.
Here, let me see that right quick. No, don't do that.
Oh, that's what that went to. I see.
Okay, let me see this.
Alright. You need a longer one, that's all. I thought the stubby would be perfect.
Or you design there however you need it.
Oh, just give it some. Alright.
Might have to take it off and flip the wrench towards you. take and flip that 180. Or use your box stand.
Yeah.
Do it on your box stand. Or strip it. Yeah. Look. 180. Once we get it broken free, like so, you'll be able to get in there with the shorty.
Yeah.
That's if you're not trying to remove this radiator, top radiator hose, which it would be easier. But sometimes we like doing things the hard way.
I said we could remove it. Yeah, this is kind of it's kind of a pain in the ass to get to, really.
You get this one right here. Ouch, I can't do it. My thumb's all bruised and I don't even want to bend barely anymore.
Where's that?
And having that fucked up tendon, I don't want to. It's like spiting me to grip, like don't you make.
I know that shit hurt, bro. You
We
fucking
get it.
straight jacked his thumb up.
Jab, 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 jab. Did you? They didn't give you a little 10mm ratchet one?
I got one, but it's at work.
Yeah, you left the tools at work.
I left too many tools at work tonight. Or else we'd be fucking
This
flying.
was kind of unexpected.
We would be flying.
This was kind of unexpected, so.
We would be flying to this shit right now. Because everything on this bitch is metric. I got all my standard tools pretty much.
It's still this one. Yeah, put the extension on that socket. Where's your hand tester?
Or that one.
Here. It's here. What do I do with it? Right.
Oh! What? It's right here. I knew I said it somewhere.
Alright, let me get a little extension.
Alright.
That might be too much. It might not be. And there it be.
There you go.
Well, I guess it helps if he takes his all the way out, huh?
Huh?
Said I guess it helps if you unscrew yours all the way out too, huh?
Oh, I wasn't done.
He wasn't done, guys. You hear him?
I wasn't.
Did you guys hear this guy?
I said, hold on a second. I had to go plug the flashlight in. Oh, the headlamp at least.
Oh man, what is this?
Bruh. Uh-oh. We need a magnet?
No. I don't know what just fell. Okay, a bolt did fall here.
I heard something fall.
Yep.
Did the light not turn on?
The light did not turn on.
For real?
For real?
Yeah, Jay. There it is.
Also, guys, that bottom one's pretty long too. So, but I think we might have enough room to get it off with that hose still there, guys.
I get some new batteries.
Yeah, we're out. We're out. Like so.
Yes.
Don't know what the fuck that is.
Show
But that's what the fuck that is.
We don't know. What the fuck?
Here, buddy. Here, buddy, old pal. I see a little bit of debris here in this.
Oh, yeah, look. Yeah, that's not good.
Oh, so this is some kind of. This is a pump.
It's got.
This is a pump that.
It does something.
It's got debris under it.
Yeah, it's got fucking. It looks like a little filter. Had some shit.
This is a pump that runs something.
Here.
That is definitely a pump.
Look. Made in China. I'm not saying that in any kind of racist way. These are fucking star bits on here.
Okay.
But this is the part. That's what I'm explaining. This is the part.
That was our.
Oh, that was the big issue.
That was what was holding me up,
Woo,
guys.
look at that, guys. Yeah. Ain't that a beauty? My car's got 2 of those.
Oh man, check this out, bub.
Servicing gets real interesting when you got 2 of those that are fucking.
Check
so you
this
got
out.
4 fucking
Check this
cans
out.
that are $300 a
Take
piece
that.
for OE.
And set that over there with them. We got a little sludge in here, but for I think the car is what, 7 years old?
15? No, shit. Yeah, 5. Yep, 7. 7 years old.
We're gonna get some rags and take a look, see.
All right, we're gonna cut this one off right here, and we'll be back with series 3.